When you're trying to figure out a solution for EDI, getting a stellar recommendation in the transportation industry is fantastic, but be aware, you might need a little bit more data before you pull the trigger. Have you considered which EDI management model might be best for your company? Stay tuned and we'll highlight the positives and negatives of all four. How's it going? It's Kristen from Babelway. EDI can be a real bear to manage, especially if you've chosen a solution that doesn't play to your company's strengths. These distinct EDI management models can be broken out into two categories: managed service, external, and self-service, internal. So let's see what works best for you. In a managed service model, you contract with a third party to handle your company's EDI. It works well for carriers that don't have the expertise or the headcount required for the self-service models. On the downside, transportation companies that do EDI as a managed service lose autonomy, which might make it harder to get work done on their timeline or to resolve technical problems that arise with their trading partners. This option also tends to be the costliest of the four models. The first EDI self-service model is custom development. Building your own EDI solution often starts out as a great idea when your company has development capacity. After all, using in-house programmers is a soft cost. What trips most carriers up is the amount of maintenance and ongoing dev time required by homegrown EDI solutions. Custom development may look straightforward when you're dealing with one partner and a few connections, but scaling is a real problem. The next self-service model, on-premise software, has traditionally been used by transportation companies for decades. By bringing on or contracting with highly specialized EDI experts, carriers could build and manage their connections with local installations of EDI software. Although the acquisition costs for many installed EDI products are lower today, ownership costs could still be relatively high. Usability, for example, is a big deal when you have to train new employees on dense technical software. Software as a service, or SaaS, the last self-service model, takes EDI software to the cloud, where maintenance and updates are done by the EDI provider. EDI products using a SaaS model can be accessed on the web from anywhere. SaaS is generally easier to use and narrower in focus than on-premise solutions. For example, most SaaS EDI products won't come embedded as a module to your transportation management system. Critics of the SaaS model often prefer owning the rights to EDI software over renting it, so to speak, through a recurring monthly fee. Well, there you have it. Now that you know a little bit more about each of the four management EDI models, which do you think is right for your company? I hope I've helped you figure it out. Until next time!